pain on the ass to install this thing, but it's getting there. We already have this bumper. So all I had to do is I think it's already laser cut in there, or no laser cut, but it has the marking where I had to take this plate out. It's gonna be the square. It's already, see the mark, you see the lines right there, like boom. See that? You guys can see it, huh? Just punch that out. So we're gonna line right in here. He's gonna line. This bad boy is gonna go here. Bam. It's gonna look good. So now I have to bring the wires and everything, and then I had to wire it up. Not bad, not bad.